Hello and welcome to Seamless CRM. ACT delivers great CRM. We make it do more seamlessly. My name is Donald Page and today we're going to look at Seamless Opportunities Ultimate. This is the fourth tier product in the Seamless Opportunities range and is connected to Sage Line 50 for UK and Ireland customers. Today we're in the company area of ACT. I'm going to create a new account in Sage from this record. When you click the Create in Sage button, it gets the first 5 characters of the company name and appends 3 digits to make the code. If there's an account with a code already, it will increment the number. Once created, you can open it in Sage. The account is created using the default Sage settings. Because this was created from the company record, we may wish to add a contact name. Let's do this let's go to the Details tab, and in here I'm going to add 20% to the account percentage field. I'm also going to modify the nominal code and click it to tax, default for all sales, and do the same for the tax rate. We also have the defaults value in the Credit Control tab. You can alter any you want to, like the terms agreed, etc. So let's save that and go back to ACT, and once we've done that, you can hit the F5 button and you will now see that the data is in there. Now you can see the data in the Address tab, and then once you do this, we can then go to the Sage Account tab and use the Update Sage Address. If you do this from the company record, if you're using it, the ACT program will also automatically update the linked contacts. Then it will go and update this Sage address information. Once updated in Sage, you will see that the corresponding Sage address fields in ACT have not yet been updated. This is due to the synchronization not having happened yet. If you check from the automated services, you will see that it's due to run every 15 minutes in this example, and it's due to run next at 11 AM. It's almost 11 now, so let's just hit the refresh key like we did before, and you'll see that the data comes into the display. Alternatively, if you're an administrator, you can go to the Sage settings and you'll notice that the last sync time, if I press the Update Sage Data, it will manually run the update and will sync the Sage data that way. So now that we've done that, let's create a new opportunity and give it the name Brown Brothers. Then we'll go to the Products and Services tab and click on the Create Amend Quote button. This is our quoting screen, and I'm now going to add the product button, and the pop-up will display the products and services from the Sage product list, which is synchronized to ACT from the opportunities. If it's a stock item, you can see that it shows the stock levels. These get updated every time the program is synchronized. This line item is a standard product, and you notice that you can't edit it, and if I look carefully, you'll notice as well that we've got a discount that's been automatically applied. Now we're going to clone a product using the clone button, and I'm selecting my 32 megabyte PCI video card, and you'll notice that this is all now editable. You can add additional information, you can use the custom fields that you can create in ACT in Seamless Opportunities and add that to it. You'll notice that no discount has been applied at this point because it's a cloned item. Special items are a bit like clones, but they're just blank records again for that program. Now, because this was a cloned item, I'm just going to add an A there to separate it from the list value in Sage. We update to ACT and they come in. Now I want to check in Sage whether or not we have a product with a suffix A to it. We don't, but what you can do if you want to is you can add products automatically to Sage when you create them from the opportunity into Sage as an invoice or an order. In this example, I'm just going to add 3 A's to it, just to demonstrate that before I update it, you'll notice that we hold multiple iterations. That's the second iteration, and I bring that back in, and now you can see that it's 3A. There's my first iteration with 1A. There's my second iteration with 3 A's. Now we're going to pass this quote into Sage. Before we do that, let's give this a customer order number. This will feed through into Sage in the appropriate field, and we can choose from a list of Sage addresses in the drop-down for this particular account. If the contact and company were attached to different Sage accounts, you would have a choice of which one to use. We're going to create this as an invoice, and it goes away now, and once the routine is complete, you'll see that the Sage invoice number and the account reference have populated in the opportunity fields above. Now if we go to Robert Manners and go to his account, his contact record, and we go to the Sage Invoices tab, you'll see that there is the invoice number. And you'll look at the order taken by, it uses the opportunity name and the user for whom the quote has been created by. Open it in Sage, and you'll see that here are our line items, and you'll notice that it has pulled through using the nominal code and obviously the tax rate that we had set up in the contact record. That special item has been created as an S1 because we hadn't ticked it to create it in Sage. Please note that the program does not post the invoice to the ledgers nor automatically dispatch orders. This is still a function to be done within Sage. Seamless Opportunities respects the Sage rules and warnings for accounts. So for example, it will give you a warning that the account is on hold or over the credit limit. If the company settings are set to stop the account, then it will prevent you from processing the order. This is a brief summary of Seamless Opportunities Ultimate. Thank you for watching.